Hello everyone, I'm Tejas from Inclusive Energy. Let's learn about this digester. So here we have a balloon type digester with a 5 cubic meter holding capacity and 2 cubic meter gas holding capacity. Let's look at the inlet. This is where the inlet for the digester is, and cow dung is the feed to this digester. Now let's look at where the slurry is, outlet from the digester. The slurry from the digester is collected in this pit and is used by farmers for their farming applications. And here I'll show you the gas outlet. This is the gas outlet, and here you can see this is the pressure release valve. From here the gas traverses to the application end. Now regarding the placement of the smart biogas meters, it is always recommended to place it at the application end and after H2S scrubber and moisture removal. The reason for this is because to increase the longevity of the life, although our meters are designed for both raw and clean conditions, as it uses non-invasive technology for measuring the gas. Now that we have understood a little bit about the digester, let's see where the gas is being used. The gas is coming from the digester through this pipeline here, and this will be connected to the burner or stove here. So essentially this is where the smart biogas meter will be installed. Let's look at how we'll install this in the pipeline. As you can see, the pipeline is secured to the wall, and the venturi is installed in a horizontal manner in the pipeline, and the gas will be flowing from right to left to the stove where the application is. Now let's look at how the smart biogas device will be installed. There's A, B, C engravings on the venturi. Similarly, A, B, C will be engraved here, and we will be attaching the respective sensor tubes to the venturi teeth. This will be the way the tubes will be attached to the venturi. And now we will mark up the points and these holes given here, and we will secure this device with the help of screws against the wall. Also, you would notice that there would be an arrow on the venturi which has to be in parallel with the gas flow. Now let's consider that we have the biogas flowing in a horizontal condition from probably to left, right. This would be the orientation such that gas flows and comes in contact with A first and then B and then C. This will be the gas flow. Now suppose in the horizontal the direction is different. We have to change the orientation such that gas will first pass via A, B and C. Similarly, this could be also the case in the vertical. Now let's consider the gas is flowing from top to bottom. So we'll have to adjust this venturi. Mind you, we should always ensure that main enclosure stays upright like this with the antenna always perpendicular. And this, now since it is moving from top to down, again we can see that it will first come in contact with A first, B and C. Now let's consider if it's going from bottom to top, the orientation will change like this, such that gas will come in contact with A, B and C. Now that we can see the solar panel is installed at the rooftop, we have to ensure that the panel is installed in such a manner that it is in a 30-degree inclination and facing towards the south, such that the sunlight throughout the day from east to west is completely focusing on the panel. For the maintenance of the panel, it is important that from week to week you wipe this solar panel glass and such that it works at its maximum efficiency, and also ensure that no shade is falling on the solar panel throughout the day.